My name is Paul Kember. I head up our strategic partnerships for Fujitsu across the whole of Europe. The relationship with VMware spans over 20 years now, probably one of our most important partners globally. They touch all of our portfolio. So we work with them on the platform business, on infrastructure, data protection solutions, right the way through to desktop services, and importantly these days, that whole move to hybrid and multi-cloud. So VMware touch Fujitsu at every part of that portfolio. Historically, the companies have worked well together. There's an understanding, there's a mutual agreement on the future needs of our customer base, and there's great synergy in how we work together. We've got to have people trained and certified within the VMware credentials, and we are at the highest level. We've invested a lot of that capability, the ability to advise our customers on the VMware roadmap and portfolio, and to combine that with our offerings to make sure they actually, what the customer wants is what we actually deliver and what we continue to support. A lot of the times what we're seeing is organizations are reviewing their infrastructure and understanding what's going to make them most efficient, most agile, but also protected going forward into the future. And that's where we work with VMware. A great example is a company called Bioracer. So Bioracer, you may have seen if you follow cycling at all, they make all the custom clothing for the Belgium World Championships and Olympic team. Great company going rapidly in a rising cycling market. They had a requirement to make sure they were protected. They had everything in one data center. They needed that disaster recovery. They needed to be able to scale for the future. Very data intensive files. Their business is that data. And in conjunction with VMware and one of our great value-added resellers, we actually created a solution to enable them to move to dual data centers, replicate that data, access that data from wherever they operate in the world, but with the secure backup to do that. Now, that is their business. That protects them. That gives them that digital resilience. It gave them that platform for growth. Not only did it protect their assets in a time of great difficulty and massively rising costs, it gives them a platform to move to public cloud in the future. It gives them that flexibility, and within that, you get the ability to scale up and scale down. One of the really exciting things that both Fujitsu and VMware are working on is Fujitsu has an offering called uSCALE, which is a flexible consumption. You pay as you go, you can flex up, flex down. VMware have been fantastic with their as-a-service capability. The two fit together nicely, and a customer can benefit from really only paying for what he wants to consume. And in these difficult times, that's exactly what you want. We like the terminology cloud smart. It's about delivering the right cloud for the right application. Not everything is going to go to public cloud. A lot of data we're seeing needs to be kept on-prem or kept in sovereign clouds. We're seeing almost every company adopt a multi-cloud and hybrid IT type strategy. So Cloud Smart is exactly about that right workload on the right platform. It's something that the benefit of Fujitsu, we can offer that on-prem infrastructure, but we can offer managed working with the major cloud providers. So Cloud Smart fits really, really well with us. What we like is the approach that VMware have taken to not be wedded to one and recognize that it's a multi-cloud world.